Be patient, Starkey. You should get all the target practice you need. But I hope for a bigger prize than that small fry. Peter Pan himself. The cause of my misery, the source of my humiliation. The culprit who caused my monodextrosity. Oh, never mind, Smee, you wouldn't understand. Smee? What is my name?
Captain Hook, sir.
And why am I so called?
I'm Captain Hook, sir.
And why do I require an extra attachment for which others have no use?
Hand cut goes enough, sir, and fetch the crocodile.
Exactly! And I shall get my revenge.